Good morning, Math Workshop friends. It is a lazy Saturday morning. It is gorgeous outside. I'm on my front porch and I wanted to take this time to show you something my family's been having fun playing for the past few days. Have you all heard of the game Perfection? Let me show it to you. Ta-da! All right, here's what Perfection looks like. If you haven't played before, here's how you play. You take out all of these shapes and you put them next to the game board. Then you set the timer up here for 1 minute. You push the blue section down. Once you push start, your job is to get all those pieces back in the correct location before the timer goes off. And if you do that in time, you push stop and shoo, you did it. But if you don't do it in time, the whole thing goes like kablooey. And then, well, if you're me, you tend to scream because you're like, ah! So let me show you how to play Perfection. Are you ready? All right, to start off, first I have all the pieces over here off of the board. I've pushed the blue board down. The timer here is in stop. Let me go ahead and make sure I give myself a full time so it starts at 0. Object of the game, get all these pieces back on the board before the timer goes off once you push start. First question though, guys. How many pieces are there in this game? This looks like an array, so let's figure that out. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's 5 times 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, so we know that there are 25 pieces. Are you ready to watch Mrs. McIntyre play? Here we go. I'm nervous. Okay, so guys, where does it go? I can't even find that one, so I'm going to put it right there. I know that one goes there. Go faster, Mrs. McIntyre. Faster. Usually I play with 2 hands, but since I have you guys here, it's a little slower with 1 hand. Okay, I'm going to hold it up there because I can't find it right now. That doesn't go there. It has to go there. How? Guys, help me. Help me. Math friends. I'm getting sweaty. How much time do I have left, guys? Check the timer. I think I only have 15 seconds. Can I do it? I'm not going to be able to do it. No, I can do it. Guys, it's getting close. I'm scared. I'm going to keep going, Mrs. McIntyre. Faster. I didn't do so well at the end there. I tried really hard, right? It's hard holding the phone and doing the pieces like that. Okay, when I showed you the board, I used the term array, and we know that an array represents a multiplication problem, but guess what? That's not our focus today, like at all. Our focus today is going to be on shapes, but a special kind of shape. And the type of shape that we're going to talk about today, they're called polygons. What's a polygon, guys? First of all, something exciting. We have polygons here, but we also have non-polygons. Polygon, what are you? All right, go ahead, grab a Hanging with Mrs. Mac paper, put your name on it, and the main idea today will be polygons. In the definition, I want you to write what a polygon is. Polygons are, get your pencil ready, closed shapes. So that means that all sides have to connect. So look, if I have this here, this though would be a closed shape. See how it's all closed? So a closed shape, and all sides are straight. Rewind the video if you have to listen to that again, because I do want you to have that definition written down exactly as I said it. So let's take a look at our Perfection pieces here. Oh man, I told you, kabloomy. All right guys, here's the board completed. I did it without the timer, so it was much more enjoyable, much less stressful. Yay, Mrs. McIntyre. Okay, but take a look here. I want to show you some polygons first. Do you see this piece? See? All straight sides. This is a polygon. 4 sides, they're all straight, polygon. Let's see this right here. All straight sides, all sides are connected, polygon. What about this one? Oh, Well, guys, look, there's a straight side on the bottom, so you might think, but Mrs. McIntyre, there's one straight side, but do you see that rounded part at the top there? Not a polygon. Let's find another knot. Not. Let's find another polygon. Whoop! Polygon, 3 sides, all straight. They connect, so it's a closed shape polygon. Okay, what's your job today? Your job today, in the task section, split it in half with a left and a right. Your left column heading is going to say polygons, and then the other heading is going to say not polygons. At your station, you have a piece of paper, and on that paper is all the different shapes. I took pictures of them and put them in the grid. So you have 25 shapes that you need to cut out, and I want you to sort them, polygon, not polygon, and glue them down on your paper. When you're done, double check to make sure you have 25 different shapes, because that's how many shapes are here. Okay, so double check you have the 25 shapes, put the paper in the Hanging with Mrs. Mac folder, hanging on the wall, and when you are completed, you may take my perfection game out into the hallway, get it set up the way I did earlier in the video, and I give you permission to play perfection. You might want to actually do it 2 times. The first time, you might want to do it without the timer, and then the second time, take the pieces out and then set that timer and give it a go and see how you do. It's a lot of fun. It's a little loud. Try not to scream. Really, seriously, try not to scream, okay? Cooper, do you consider yourself a perfection expert?
Yes.
All right, you're gonna show us how it's done?
Yes.
All right, expert, on your mark, get set, go. What is it?
Yeah.
Good, bud.
I think I got it.
You still have 15 seconds. You're down to like 5 seconds, Cooper. Come on, bud.
I stopped it.
And that, my friends, is a completed perfection board. Stressed?
No.
What is a polygon?
Something that has all straight sides, no curves.
Good job. All right, guys. Great job today hanging out, talking about polygons. Remember, polygons are shapes that have straight sides. Okay, I love you very much. Bye.